Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve lead generation with BoomTown detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the fundamentals of lead generation and its importance in real estate. Familiarize yourself with BoomTown's features and how they cater specifically to lead generation. Create an account on BoomTown if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to explore its various sections. Begin by setting up your lead capture tools. Customize your website to reflect your brand and welcome potential leads. Implement lead capture forms on your website to gather information. Utilize landing pages to target specific buyer personas. Next, leverage BoomTown's CRM to manage and prioritize your leads effectively. Segment your leads based on criteria like source, location, and behavior. Set up automated follow-up emails to nurture your leads without delay. Use BoomTown's tracking tools to monitor the behavior of leads on your site. Analyze the data collected to understand which lead generation strategies are most effective. Refine your approach based on your findings to maximize results. Explore BoomTown's integration options to enhance your marketing efforts. Consider incorporating social media campaigns to drive more traffic to your site. Utilize BoomTown's reporting features to continually assess your lead generation performance. Regularly revisit and improve your website's SEO to ensure you attract organic traffic. Finally, keep up to date with the latest features and updates offered by BoomTown. By consistently applying these strategies, you can improve your lead generation and grow your real estate business effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.